Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you, my subscribers, the new viewers and others who are watching this video. Today we are going to talk about our one of the national festival, that is Independence Day. Every year on 15th of August, this festival is being celebrated all over the country with great joy. Do you know why do we celebrate this day? Approx 200 years British ruled over us. We were slave of British. After 200 years, some of the freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to get the India free. Gandhi, Nehru and other leaders choose the non-violence way to make the India free. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad, they were the leader. They used the violence method to get the India free. But the aim of both the leaders were same, that we could take the breath in free India. Every Indian wanted to get rid of British. Men, women, even kids were also against the British. They wanted to take breath in the free India. So after so many strugglings, the day came on 15th of August 1947. We got the independence when we were breathing in the free air. But from 1947 to till today, do you think, are we the part of a free India? Gandhi, Nehru, Bhagat, Subhash, they sacrificed their lives for this day only. They wanted to see India like the India now is. That time India was called Sone ki Chidiya. This was the dream of those freedom fighters. Do they want to see this type of India today? So many problems are spreading in our country. Illiteracy, overpopulation, unemployment, corruptions. So many problems are arising day by day and they are increasing continuously. So what to do? We are the part of it. We are the responsible for it. You, me and all the citizens of India are responsible for it. Not only a single person can do anything, but if we meet together, then we can do something for our India. So, what to do and how to do? This question arises. That day, before the independence, we were slave of British. But that day, we were physically slave. Now, the day when we are mentally slave. British ruled over us those times. Now bad evils are ruling over us. How? So take the example of children. If our kids, children, students are not obeying our elders, this is slaveness. If they are cheating in the exams, this is also part of slaveness. If they are not completing their homework, this is also a part of slaveness. So, how to get rid of? This is mentally slaveness. That time physically slaveness and now it is mentally slaveness. It is very good that we celebrate Independence Day with great joy in schools, offices, in all over the country. But does it complete our duty? No, not at all. Actually, what happens? I just give you example. The learners, the educated peoples who has talent, they go abroad. Why do they go abroad? Because they used to say that there is nothing in India, there is no scope. So just they go outside, they make their future to leave the India in that situation only. So is it right? I just give you example. Suppose your house is not clean, it is very dirty, and your neighbor's house is very clean and tidy. So what you will do? Will you go to neighbor's house to stay there? Is it possible? No, not at all. So what you will do? You will make your home clean to compete with your neighbors. So in those situations also, if your country, India, is not clean, it is not that type which you want to see, so make the India that type, do those work, so we can do work in our country only. If it is not clean, make it clean. If there is a corruption, make it corruption free. If there is unemployment, makes the employment, develop the employment. These are the work that you have to do. Will Gandhi come here to do this work? Or Azad will take birth again? Or Bhagat Singh will come to do this work? They have completed their work. They had finished their work. They had given you a free India. Now you have to take care of your country. You become yourself Gandhi. You become yourself Azad. And do those work what they wanted to do. Make our country on the top. Give those situations that is more desirable in our country. Now this is the question for you all. Do you love your country? If yes, just tell me, when do you show your patriotism? When do you show your Desh Bhakti Bhavana? That is only seen in cricket matches. India, India, India. What we are doing in other times? We are quarreling, we are fighting in the name of religion, in the name of other problems or other reasons. It is very unfortunate that we show our Desh Bhakti Bhavana in cricket matches only. Rest of the time we were quarreling. It is very bad luck for our youth. What do you see in the newspaper, in the news? What type of news are there? The news that remains most of the time bad only. We read the newspaper, the headlines are, he is murdered, she is raped, there was chain snatching on the road, accident took place. So what type of news are these? These are the news related to negativity. So who will take care of Indian property? Sarkar? Leaders? Today the leaders are not like that. as we have studied in the books. Today the leaders are full of corruptions and they created the problem themselves, and after that they tried to get rid of it. They are the basic generator of problems, and they always act that they are removing the problems. So at last I would like to say that again those prayer lines, that to make the India confident, to make the India the powerful nation of the world, to make the India corruption free, to make the India problem free, you take pledge, shapat lo aap, that you will try to make it very proudable country. I hats off those great freedom fighters who fought for our country, who sacrificed their lives for us. To give the homage to those freedom fighters, just do little things, very little things, start from little things only. By doing these small works, you are contributing to your country to make the India proudable. Once again, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. यदि आपको मेरी स्पीच अच्छी लगी हो, if you like the speech, just subscribe my channel, like the video and hit the bell icon so that you can get the message of every video. Once again, thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.